जावन आसा की सरकार आमचे जे डिमांड्स आहात ते असेंब्ली सेशनान डिस्कस करिना आनी आमचो सरकार म्हटल्यार आमचो सीएम म्हणून आतां तेका तो म्हणटा भिवपाची गरज ना घडये तो म्हणटा आसतलो पूण म्हाका जाल्यार हें दिसता तो खरेंच भियेता ताका लागून तो असेंब्ली सेशन दवरिना ह्या पॅन्डेमिकान आयज जायते आमचे तरणाटे धाकटुले भुरगे रस्त्यार आयल्या आपले इस्कॉल सोडून त्या रस्त्यार आयल्या आमचे तरणाटे आपले कॉलेज आपली कामां सोडून रस्त्यार आयल्या आनी आमी जर भियेना आयल्यार म्हाका सरकार विचारता की तूं कित्याक भियेताय असेंब्ली सेशन दवरपाक आमी आमचे लायफ रिस्कार घालून आमी रस्त्यार आयलेले आहा सेकंड तुमी पळयलां आसतलें आतां 2 दीस फाटीं झेडपी इलेक्शन जालें झेडपी इलेक्शनाक वोटिंगाच्या दिसा लास्ट एक वर दवरलेलें तेंच्यांनी लास्ट एक वर वोट करपाक जे कोण कोवीड पॉझिटिव्ह पेशंट्स आहात तांकां वोट करपाक बरे भशेन पीपी सूट्स घालून हाडले आनी तेंच्यांनी वोट केले खरेंच बरें दिल्लें ते वोट करता ते पूण खरेंच बरें दिल्लें पूण हातूंत म्हाका सरकाराक एक क्वेश्चन घालूंक जाय जोरी जर तांकां तुमी वोट करूंक हाडटात पीपी सूट घालून जाल्यार तेंच पीपी सूट घालून तुमी असेंब्ली सेशन कित्याक घेयना तुमी इतले भियेल्यात रिसंटली हांवें रिलेटींग टू झेडपी इलेक्शन हांवें एक टायम्स ऑफ इंडिया पेपरार एक कोट वाचलो जो हो करता स्टेटमेंट ऑफ एक्चुअली सीएमाचो वोट फॉर डेव्हलपमेंट वील गो अहेड विथ मोले प्रोजेक्ट्स हाचेर म्हाका सरकाराक विचारूंक जाय सीएमाक विचारूंक जाय एक्चुअली की जेन्ना आमी यूथ तुमच्या मुखार येयलेले आमचे क्वेश्चन्स घेवन आमचे डिमांड्स घेवन तुमच्या मुखार येयलेले तेन्ना तूं सांगता हें म्हाका कांय खबर ना आनी म्हाका स्टडी करूंक जाय तुका जर स्टडी करूंक जाय तूं आमकां सांगता तुका स्टडी करूंक जाय जाल्यार तूं दुसऱ्या वाटेन वचून तूं शुअरिटीन कसो सांगूंक शकता की हांव हे प्रोजेक्ट्स करतलो म्हणून जरी तूं आमकां सांगता स्टडी करता जाल्यार तूं दुसऱ्या वाटेन वचून रोखडोच सांगता की आपूण डेफिनेटली करतलो जाल्यार हे एश्युरिटी कशी दिवंक शकता तूं जरी तूं स्टडी करतालो जाल्यार सेकंडली वेलरी बायन सांगलां तशें आतां जायते आमकां पोस्ट पळोवपाक गावता मिडियाचेर फॉर एग्जाम्पल ट्वीट करतात थोडे मंत्री ट्वीट करतात थोडे हॅशटॅग घालतात जे आमी युथान फुडें येयला तेंचो वावरार हॅशटॅग घालतात आनी आपणे केला हें करूंक सोदतात थोडे मास्कांचेर सेव मोले घालतात आनी फायदो घेवंक सोदतात इलेक्शनाच्या टायमार हें सगळें मिडियाचो ह्यो आहा ते आमी सांबाळतात तुमचें काम न्हू तें तुमचें काम असेंब्लीन वचोन असेंब्ली सेशन धरून जे डिमांड्स आहा ते डिस्कस करून सो सोजमो नाकात की आमी यूथ न्हिदल्याच पळय यूथ ह्यो आयचो सगळे तुमकां पळयता सगळे कितें करता तें पळयता आनी आमी तुमचो उगडास करतले 2022 इलेक्शनाच्या टायमार एक स्ट्रॉंग मेसेज ही सरकाराक युथा कडल्यान थँक्यू
हे जे आतां प्रोजेक्ट येतात ते कोणाचे आनी कसले फायद्यात ते कशें करपाक आमचे यूथ आतां मुखार सरतात
The coal groups have been already asked about this mono private industries related to the port, and it seems it is not for Goa, it is for other states. Then I want to ask the government, whose interest are you serving in Goa? Goa Tamnar Transmission Projected Line Limited is a special purpose vehicle with sterlite power that threatens Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary and Mole National Park. Sterlite has asked for police protection for the 400 kV transmission line before the project was even approved and until its finalization. So why have the government issued police protection to Sterlite Power of Goa Tamnar before the project was passed? If we see Sterlite's past record in Tuticorin flood, where the police protection was given to Sterlite Copper, and during the protest, 13 people were killed from the fishing community who were opposing the power plant. So again, the question comes: why is the protection required if the local communities have been taken on board? If the government is saying we have spoken to the people and it is for the people, why this protection is given to this company? Why the deputy collector and district magistrate have provided protection as early as February 2019. So I want the government to answer us on this.
आमच्या युथाक आनीकूय क्वेश्चन आसात जे आमचो युथ गव्हर्मेंटा लागीं विचारूंक सोदता. एक एकलो आपणाचो क्वेश्चन गव्हर्मेंटा लागीं आतां विचारतलो.
Good evening, all boys. My name is Diana Sigal Pereira. So I think we are very loud and clear with our demands that we have put forward to the government, but still there is no response. During the lockdown, we tried the polite ways like sending emails, letters, and memorandums, which were ignored. So today we have to forcefully come out on the streets. So on behalf of the youth, I have a very simple question to the government. Are you going to ignore our questions or tell cruel jokes on national television? Are you going to give us answers and theories about how these three proposed linear projects are for the benefit of women, or it is a public interest? If it was really public interest, then why were these three projects rushed secretly during the COVID times, during the lockdown? And another question that we all want to ask the government is destroying my beautiful land Goa, is destroying my future and the future of the coming generations a national interest? We want to know this. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mercy Fernandez. I just want to ask the government, can you tell us how national interests are met by not prioritizing the interest of Goan people? The Chief Minister, who is the chairperson of National Board of Wildlife, the Environmental Minister, who is the vice chairperson of the State Board of Wildlife, you serve public interest by doing your duty. Are you and your private companies trying to pressurize the Chief Wildlife Warden and Principal Chief Conservator of Forest by not to follow the Wildlife Protection Act and Forest Conservation Act? Why Goa government is not listening to the Goan people or Goan public interest in the national interest?
जे भाशेन तुमी आतां पळयलां की यूथ आनी यूथूच न्हू गोंयची जायती फावंडेशन्स वा एक्टिविस्ट वा ग्रूप आसात ते आमचे लागीं आसात. थोडी नांवां घेवन ना आसतलीं जशें गोवा फावंडेशन, मागीर बेनावलीकारांचो एकवट जायते आसात आमचे बरोबर आसात ते. थोडी नांवां घेवंक ना आसतलीं पूण आसात म्हूण आमकांय खबर आसा आनी गोंयच्या लोकांकूय खबर आसा. ताका लागून आतां प्रेसाक कितें आमचे लागीं युथा लागीं क्वेश्चन लोकां लागीं क्वेश्चन कितें करपाक जाय जाल्यार विचारूंक जाता.
Brother, yesterday the election had took place and BJP won with a majority. So what do you like to say? If the people are upset and why BJP got such a huge majority?
ओके हांव तुगे क्वेश्चन एक आन्सर करतलो. BJP won with the majority. Out of 100%, BJP कितू percentage आयला? 70. Let's take it 70. Okay, 70%. Total election कितली जाल्या? Election percentage कितली जाल्या? Around 50. So out of 50%, 70% काडली जाल्यार so 100 50 जाले. 50 याचेर तूं 70% तो डिवाइड करलो जाल्यार 35% जाले. So out of 100% CM लोकांक सांगता BJP आयल्या 30%चेर 35% आनी उरलोले 65% लोक आयदर वोट करूंक ना नाजाल्यार तांकांय खबर आसा आमकां BJP नाका. सो 65% लोक नाका म्हणटना 35 येयल्या म्हणून म्हाका दिसना की लोक BJP कंप्लीटली सपोर्ट करता.
Indirectly the BJP won, no, brother.
हांव जे आमचे ZP इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स आहा कॅन्डिडेट्स तिंकां हांव पोरबी दिता आनी तिंकां लोकांनी निवडून हाडला म्हूण व्हेरी गुड. बट एट द सेम टायम लोकांनी निवडून हाडला हो तुमकां सोयेक हे जे निसवणपणाचे प्रोजेक्ट्स आहा ते स्क्रॅप करून तुमी लोकां बारीक आसा म्हूण हे तुमी दाखोवन दिवपाचें.
बीजेपीचे दाखयतले
येस तिंकां लोकांनी निवडून हाडला न्हू. सो BJP वोट मारता वी डोंट नो कोणें वोट मारला बट स्टील लोकांनी निवडून हाडला न्हू.
Okay, well and said, you said 70%, 35%. Okay. See, in the past few days, you all have been picking up this issue. You all are there, father is there, captain is there, Cecil is there. Don't you think so? Goans at least should have thought about it because you all are on the road. Everybody, even including me, you can say. Everybody should have thought about this. Why you all are fighting? Why you all are that? At least we should think before voting. And it's almost why they did not vote?
Second, first of all, why they did not vote? Mark this now. I'm voting again. I'm voting again. Kita nota katta mun. Kita loka ko option national bora candidate विचून काढपाक. हांव पर्सनली गेलो. हांव मुगे पर्सनली सांगतलो. जाल्यार नोटा ऑप्शन मारतो म्हणून हांव गेलो. बट लोका तोय बी ऑप्शन ना जालो आनी कोणा सिलेक्ट करपा तोय बी ऑप्शन ना जालो. सो जो जिंकला ते कॅन्डिडेट बसल्यात ते.
See, yesterday CM said made a simple statement. आमगेले इतले कॅन्डिडेट जिखून येयल्या, that means they need development म्हणून. तुम्ही इतले त्रास काडून झगडा. तुम्ही आख्या गोंयकारांक लागून झगडा गोंयांक लागून. Finally CM has said people have shown that they are for development. What does the message go then?
Which people have shown? Which people? Only 56% have voted. That means 44% of the people did not even vote.
Why? Percentage doesn't matter. Well, it is candidates. They have got elected, no?
I think whether people vote or do not vote is a very different argument. I think the fact is that the sentiments of young people in Goa cannot only be reflected by a ZP election. There are many reasons as to why people don't vote. A lot of young people by connecting this movement to the results of the ZP
I'm not
election,
connecting this
it's a very
movement.
trivial way of doing it, and I think the Chief Minister has made a very big mistake by making this statement, because it really comes to show that we as young people will educate more young people to be more politically active, and when it comes to 2022, we will vote for the government that takes our considerations into demand.
इलेक्शन जालो ते ZP इलेक्शन. इलेक्शनाचे हे डिसाइड करून जायना जाले कोण सपोर्ट करतात ते. एका लागले सेपरेट इलेक्शन दवरून पडटलें दिसता म्हाका. इलेक्शन म्हाका दिसना मोल्या प्रोजेक्टा सपोर्ट करपा लागून. हे सेपरेट
इलेक्शन मोल्या प्रोजेक्टाक म्हणा.
सो सीएमन स्टेटमेंट केला बीजेपी इलेक्ट केलाय मेजॉरिटी येयलाय म्हण डेव्हलपमेंट सपोर्ट करताय. हे इलेक्शन डेव्हलपमेंट सपोर्ट करपा इलेक्शन आसूना.
सो आतां फुडें एक सांग, तुमी एवरी नाव एंड देन सांगता MLAs देखून आसपाक जाय म्हणून बरोबर करेक्ट. आतां MLA बोलत्यांच उलयता. सो आतां फुडें कितें आसतलें मागीर हितूंतल्यान
आमी सांगपा न्हय. ही मेसेज हांव क्लियर दिता. गव्हर्मेंट मुखार आपणागे स्टेटमेंट करीत वयतलो. स्टेटमेंट दिसा दिसा चेंज करीत वयतलो. गव्हर्मेंट आमचे आयक पावर आमी थांबपा न्हय.
Let us also not forget that the CM has always said statements, and he's also said statements that contradict the statements he's made before. And all of this has been noted by us. All of us are observing all of this. One day he says something else, the next day there is something else that contradicts it. So all of us are observing it. So just because the CM has said something like that, we are not going to vote back because of it.
Also, I have one question. If ZP elections are directly reflecting development, is what our CM has said, I want to ask him, can he have an opinion poll and ask what exactly the people want? Is really
that day you had said that you wanted to CM to speak to you, if you remember. After that, we had also asked CM saying that the youth want you to speak to them. So have you all tried to about that?
We are on the process of taking appointment with the CM. तेजेर आमी मुखार आसात ना आमी म्हणलेले आमकां सीएमाला घेवन क्वेश्चन करपाक जाय आनी तेजेर आमी प्रोसेस आसा.
पूण हे प्रोजेक्ट स्क्रॅप जाला उपरांत इट इज वर्थ हॅविंग कन्वर्सेशन. आतां तो मागीर म्हणून ना स्टडी करूंक जाय. आमकां तो नाका. वी वॉन्ट द प्रोजेक्ट टू बी रिवोक.
We want the revokes to be done, and only then we want to have a dialogue with them. Otherwise, everything is tokenism. They cannot go ahead with these projects and then come and say that they're trying to have a conversation with the youth. How can you have a conversation with the youth when you're first not revoking the licenses? So first revoke the licenses, then come and have a dialogue with us. Otherwise, you're just going to think it's tokenism because it is tokenism.
CM come already memorandum dilo ha. So first he needs to read that. मागीर स्क्रॅप करत आनी मागीर डिस्कशन आमी करूं येतली. इफ ताका पडोन गेलो जाल्यार तो मेमोरेंडम एटलिस्ट रीड करपाचो आमगे युथा डिमांड्स कितें आहा.
Thanks.